Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unreal Universe. Samsung Galaxy S9 Mini was leaked last week with the model number SMG8750 was spotted on Geekbench with Snapdragon 660 working on it. But now there is another S9 Mini leaked which is spotted at the website of Chinese certificate authority known as TINA with model number SMG8850. Maybe Samsung is working on another variant of Samsung Galaxy S9 Mini, which is the SMG8850, which is having a display of 5.8 inches, which is same as the standard Galaxy S9. Even the battery capacity is way too similar, that is 3000 mAh. The front of the phone comes with that bezel-less design, but the edge-to-edge display is not clearly visible in the pictures which are leaked. S9 Mini has Super AMOLED Quad HD Plus 1440p display. It houses the Beast 2.8 GHz octa-core processor paired with 4 or 6 gigs of RAM, and which are different variants, and a dedicated micro SD card slot for storage expansion. The rear panel has a dual vertical camera on the left corner, which is a 12 megapixel dual camera setup, maybe with that dual aperture, and 8 megapixel selfie shooter on the front of the phone. Camera flash is just below the camera lens on the back of the phone, and a fingerprint sensor which is placed on the center of the phone. The device does come with a power button on the right side and volume rocker dedicated Bixby button on the left side of the phone. Rumors say that this is a S9 Mini, but it could be another Galaxy A series smartphone exclusively for Chinese market. So take this rumor with a pinch of salt. I would suggest you to stay connected to our channel for more upcoming details on this device. And you can do it just by subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon for daily notifications. Let me know your thoughts on this device in the comment section below, and you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So that is all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.